Hi guys, in this video we will solve the issue of Telegram login fail. So let's start. So first of all, open Telegram. After open, click on start messaging. Then write down your cell phone number here, your phone number. After that, click on that arrow, click on next. You can see that the Telegram is not working. Until you wait 10 minutes or 20 minutes, it's not working, it still remains same. So back and open the Play Store app. Just write here touch VPN. You can use any other VPN as well, but this is the best VPN. Now install this VPN on your cell phone. Click on install. Just wait, it's being installing. After install, just open this VPN and just wait. Now open the VPN. Now open. Simply skip this one and okay, and click on connect. After VPN connect, just back. Okay, this click on okay, then back on the screen. Come on back on screen of your mobile phone. Let's wait a minute, it will connect. Now open Telegram again and write down your cell phone number again. It will work. And just click on the arrow. The Telegram will send you the OTP, one-time password. You can see there's you can see here the Telegram has sent. Just put down that password on here. After put down, just click on next. You can see that your Telegram now you can open. And don't forget to like and subscribe.